Hello. Hi guys. Now in this session I will discuss the difference between functional and non-functional testing. So what is the functional testing? Functional testing is the when we are ensure the software is working properly as per functional. This we can say it is the functional testing. Okay. So what is functional testing? When tester ensures that the software is properly working as functionally. This is the functional testing. Like when we are testing any suppose button, login button or add to cart button or any plus button, minus button or any mm, suppose sign up button, any user icon button. After when we click any button, we are ensure that button is targeted proper element. Okay, it is the functional testing. So now it's let's come down definition of functional testing. So what is the definition of functional testing? Functional testing focuses on verifying that the software behaves according to its specified requirement. Already I have said software is working properly as far as functionally. Okay, so when we are gather the requirement from client side, after we are ensure or will check that my requirements is meet um, with my software. It is the checking with the requirement. So it checks the functionally on of the application by executing various functional aspects such as user interfaces, APIs, databases, and integrations. Okay. So next key points. Objective. So to ensure that the software performs its intended functions correctly. Okay. So what is the key points first? Key points is the objective to ensure that software performs its intended functions correctly. Understands? So what actually it's meant to ensure? We will ensure that the functions software performs intent function. So when we are gather the requirement for client, after we will ensure that the software is performs as far as client requirement. Types unit testing. So you test individual component or functions of the software. Okay, so what is the unit testing? Unit testing is the when we will do the test individual components or functions of the software. This is called unit testing. Okay, integration testing test the interaction between different components or systems. So suppose just you will say one uh, picture. Let's say at the tab. So, what is first unit testing? So, unit testing is the suppose this is the sign up, this is the login, this is the product features, this is the add to cart, this is the checkout, this is the payment, uh, this is the edit address, this is the tracking order, okay. This is the wallet, This is the this is the place of suppose uh, any other features. Okay, so when we will testing, so suppose this is the sign up, sign up. This is the login. This is the add to cart, add to cart. This is the checkout, payment, the tracking order, track order. The wallet, other features, other feature, the product. This is the any ticket booking, any ticket booking. So, what is the unit testing? Unit testing is suppose unit testing one, unit test one, unit two, unit two, unit three, unit four, unit five, unit six, unit seven, unit eight, unit nine, unit 10. So, if developer pass back to testing team individual unit for the testing, okay. So, after we will testing, that is called unit test. Suppose developer, suppose developer just give to testing team first unit test 1, and if tester will start the testing first unit 1, after when again developer implement to unit 2, and tester will test of the unit 2, and after developer implement the unit 3, and tester will testing the unit 3. So this is the unit testing when developer will implement it, and after pass back to the testing team, and tester will testing the individually. It is the unit test. Another, suppose developer, suppose it's the for agile process. And if any other process, suppose waterfall, for agile process, developer will implement individually, and after implementation will pass back to the testing team, and tester will do the tested, and after giving the report. This is the agile process. And if the waterfall process or waterfall method, so after all unit will be implemented. Okay, after all unit will be implemented, so developer will be implemented. So developer developer will do implemented all unit, then pass back to the tester. So what will do tester? So when received the tester all units, so after tester will do divided all unit. So this developer pass to the testing team. Okay, sorry, um, testing team. Okay, so tester will tester will do test individually. Okay, so tester is received from dev team. Okay, and tester will do the test individually. First we'll do the test unit, test one, sign up, and after giving the report, they will do the testing unit 2, and after we'll give the report, and after unit 3, and unit 3 will do the test and give the report. Okay, and after unit 4, and we'll do the test and after giving the report. So rest of the unit will do the test individually and after giving the report. So this is the unit test for waterfall method. If agile method, so agile method where developer will be implemented individually and after passed back to the testing team, and tester will do the test and giving the report. This is the agile method testing. And if waterfall, so waterfall when tester will give the all implementation or all units, after when tester will do the test individually or unit wise. So this is the testing of for waterfall method. Okay, so this is the unit testing. Next, integration testing. So integration testing tests the interaction between different components or system. So integration is basically when will be the integrate. So suppose, let's come set this step. So suppose after sign up, when user will do the sign up, that will check this credential is using at the login time. Okay, suppose user will use this credential. Okay, user will use this credential credentials, and after they'll check they'll check this credential also used for login time or not. So this and this component when we'll do the implement, so this is after when we will do the test. Suppose sign up section, we will use the credential, and same credential we will use the login time. Okay, login time. So this is the actual of integration testing. Okay, and next next is the system testing. So system testing is the test the complete system as whole to ensure it meets the requirements. So so after all all unit were implemented, okay, all unit were implemented, and tester will do the test, and tester will do the tester will do the test after implement all unit. This is the system testing. Okay, next next is the acceptance testing. So acceptance testing, okay, first, what is the definition of the system testing? Tests the complete system as a whole to ensure it meets the requirement. So next is the acceptance testing. So acceptance testing, this tab. So what is the acceptance testing? Acceptance testing when all unit will be implement, and this will do the testing of end user. Suppose who actually end user? End user is basically can could be tester, could be tester, or project manager, or project manager, or um, client, okay, or user. Both could be the end user. So when end user will do the test after implementation all units, and if ensure that all implementations is working uh, properly, after implemented and after implemented all unit. So this is the acceptance testing. So acceptance testing means actually when end user will do the accept and ensure all features is working properly. So suppose sometimes we can see Flipkart or Amazon or any e-commerce website, any features is not working properly. So that's we can say is the acceptance testing fail. Okay, so when we will do the unit testing, so if any features is not working properly, so we can say unit testing is failed. And after integration, if we can get it, it's not working properly after integrated all units, so we can say the integration testing is failed. And after all uh, implemented the all unit, and when we will do the tested, and and we are ensured if any function is not working properly, so we can say the system testing is failed. And acceptance testing also after um, all features we will ensure end user is working properly as per as the requirement. And if any function or any feature is failed, so we can say the acceptance testing is failed. Okay, so now let's this step. So focus area. What is the focus area? Oh, okay. Acceptance testing is the definition of verifies if the systems meets the business requirement and is ready for delivery. Okay, and focus area correctness, completeness, and adherence to requirement. And example checking if a login button. Already I have said too many example, but in these examples is right. Just checking if a login button performs the correct authentication, verifying that a search function returns expected results. Okay, and functional testing we can test also manually or automation. So for automation we can use the tool Selenium Cypress unit testing. Okay, so already we have done the functional testing, and the next session I will discuss the non-functional testing. Thank you so much.